Hey beautiful! Today I'm gonna try to recreate Ariana Grande's makeup in her 7 Rings music video using new products. If you wanna know what my first impressions are, then please keep watching. I'm gonna skip my 10-step skincare routine and use only this Power Duo by Olay. I'm using the White Radiance Essence, which has a unique pump by the way. I like to tap this on so as not to cause any sagging. Because of the light reflecting properties, it gave a bit of a glow to my skin in an instant. I also felt like my skin absorb the product easily, which I like because I don't want to waste my time waiting on a product to get dry. Next is to try this moisturizer. One thing I noticed while using this product is that it applies smoothly and made my skin look soft too by blurring the pores and shiny T-zone a little bit. It feels as if I used a makeup primer, but instead it's a skincare product. I love how it looks like you woke up like this when actually you have a moisturizer on. This next step is applying foundation, and I wish I could tell you how much I love this, but Maybelline really failed on this one. I don't like the smell at all. It doesn't blend very easily. It's too thick, plus it oxidizes so much on my skin, leaving a white cast, which is a big no-no because I just had beautiful skin and now it's ruined. Now I'm going to conceal and contour. I'm loving this affordable medium to full coverage liquid concealer. I learned a little goes a long way with this product. However, I think the formula needs a little more TLC. You get what you pay for, but it gets the job done, so it's quite okay. It has a yellow tone, which I think is also nice. Of course, we have to set this with powder. This is from CLINIQUE, which I also find unique because of the packaging. I'm obsessed with cute and unique packaging. I love how it opens up. As for the formula, it's not chalky and doesn't leave a white cast. It gives a nice natural looking finish and texture to my skin, which I like so much. We are going to powder contour next in areas where I apply the wet contour, then contour the hollows of the eyes to warm it up. As for the eyeshadow, this is where things got tricky. I used BT21 eyeshadow palette, which I think doesn't work for me that much. I hated how I spent my time trying to make this eyeshadow opaque without the help of primers or setting sprays. It was definitely hard to work with as I realized it's not meant for looks like these. So I just gave up on it completely and tried to find other ways to add sparkle to my eyes, which also didn't work with a BTLA liquid eyeshadow. So what I did was apply a liquid lipstick in a hot pink shade and use that as an eyeshadow, and finally I was happy with the result. This is the kind of pink I was expecting, to be honest. Next up is to just apply eyeliner, but I sort of gave this liquid eyeshadow one more chance and I failed miserably, so I'm never using this again. It's also different to work with as the opacity is inconsistent. And then I applied Kat Von D tattoo liner and created a really bold wing, which I think went too far. After that, I applied false lashes and a coat of this mascara from VT x BTS, which stood out by the way because it lengthens my lashes. The wand is quite fine, so it's perfect for the bottom lashes too. Speaking of the bottom lashes, I'm just doing some finishing touches by adding the same shade from the contour palette, adding more eyeliner, and then doing my brows. This is also from VT x BTS collaboration. I can't say I'm amazed by it, but so far it gets the job done by filling in the gaps of my brows. I like that it has a setting powder though, helps if you have oily eyebrows. Moving on to the face, I'm applying blush from the Super Tempting Cheek palette and then a tiny amount of LA Girl Luminous Glow for my highlighter if you want some holographic drama on your cheeks. Lastly, line your lips and apply lipstick, and although the other products from BTLA have failed in my opinion, these lip glosses don't. They give high shine, provides moisture, and doesn't feel sticky. Plus, you have a lot of shades to choose from. And that's it. This is my first impressions makeup video. I hope you enjoyed watching and hearing how these new products have worked for me. Thumbs up if you think I should do more of these. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. See you in the next video.